This would be our prediction for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So I want you guys to have it in mind that this is just a false breakout, and markets eventually did a double bottom, which indicates a reversal movement, and it is now pushing back up. Now, if in order for us to be able to predict what markets will do for the day, we need to know what the trend is. Now, if you have to zoom out, we have the main trend, which is the overall trend, and we have the current trend. Now, this is the main trend, which is the overall trend. The full bigger picture, it is an uptrend move. Market is what's trending to the upside. It is very much an uptrend move, a bullish move. But when you now zoom it in, right, which is the current trend, market is what ranging. So market was able to push up, then it gave us a pullback to test the same level, right? Then market eventually bounced up, right? Now market eventually came back again to test the same level, thereby giving us a bottom, right? Then market eventually bounced up, right? Market eventually came back again, even thereby forming a false breakout right here. So now market is now pushing back in. So you can see that this is very much a bullish move. It is clearly a bullish move, right? So we will be expecting market to push up further till it comes to tap a level of 93. So currently we are trading at 92. So in the long run, we will be expecting NVIDIA New Zealand dollar JPY to come to the level of 93.500. That should be, if I'm not wrong, it should be about 150 pips. That will be about close to 150 pips. So this is a potential 150 pips. Pips you would most likely grab on this if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position. So whatever you would want to be doing on your New Zealand dollar JPY, you would want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.